So yeah, I decided to bathe agad right after I got up this morning, which was around 4:46 kasi that was my alarm. Pero, ayun, I decided to bath lang agad kasi, you know the feeling when you're like, in the morning and then you try to get up but everything's like super taxing. Tapos when you take a bath, you know, you can ring it off, yung antok mo and like yung katamaran mo sa morning. So yeah, I decided to bathe agad and then ponytail my hair. Yan, wala lang. Tapos, it's kind of cold here though. Walang aircon dito kasi actually. Dito walang aircon here. But, walang, weird. May parang dalawang ice dun, no? Ayun, no? Yan, dalawang ice. Anyway. Yeah. Walang aircon dito, but it's kind of cold. Especially siguro kakaligo ko lang and then open kasi yung windows talaga. I don't wanna show you kasi it's very undone talaga. Na like yung mga nakatapal lang sa glass windows, glass panes namin. Na like, basta, hindi pa kasi tapos. Wait lang kayo, nakakahiya naman, di ba? Pwede naman kasi ipakita pag tapos na. Pero at least itong background ko okay, di ba? So like, anong sinasabi ko kanina? Yeah, I decided to write a few things na parang I should do this a little thing or little time for myself every morning to write a prayer or like just write what you're thankful for, like for the day or so for the morning, because it's very important to pray in the morning and like just be grateful for, you know, even breathing the next day, because not everybody gets to have a next day, even have their next day, you know. Sometimes last na nila. So like I wrote, every day we should write about what we're thankful for. Each passing day that the Lord decides for us to continue living must be and should be prayed for. We must each day learn and appreciate the true, genuine value of life. Every single day, we must praise and thank the Lord. Very generic lang naman yung prayer, pero like yun lang kasing nasa utak ko that time kasi like nagda-download ako ng Globe One app. Kasi hindi ako makakonect sa wifi. Tapos like, I don't know why super bagal ng data ko. So, I downloaded it and may 5.98 na lang yata ako natitirang data. Well, anyway, yun yung content ng prayer ko kasi nagda-download ako ng Globe One eh, no? Anyway, wala lang naman. Ayan. I have tons of notebooks. This is like my nth. Pero, I mean, lahat naman tao, maraming notebook. Well, at least, that's what I think. Pero, meron pa kasi akong isa, you know, yung pink, nakikita mo ba yun? Ayun, pero just I bought again kasi I feel like, you know, pero if I'm gonna decide to write a novel, dapat yung malalaking, parang manuscript, like, type na pang college na ano, basta yung gano'n, yung malaki. Eh, isa sa Victoria's Journal kasi, parang like, ang gaganda kasi ng design, like legit, it's really nice naman, pero like yung price, like $550, like, who would buy $550 for a notebook? It's like, well, I would, kasi I really would wanna buy that, kasi ang ganda, pero like, super mahal naman. Ano ba yun? May gold flakes ba yung papel nun? Well, anyway, baka maganda nga talaga yung paper, and pag nagsulat ka, tapos, I just remembered something, sorry. Well, anyway, I hate it. I hate it. Gumask na lang ulit ako. Kasi ang pangit ko. I hate it, alam mo yun. Yung parang, alam mo yun, parang ngayon na ulit nangyari sa akin yun. Yung you're talking about something else, tapos you remember something that hindi naman really shouldn't be remembered, pero parang the universe would rather you not remember it, pero na-remember mo. So like, the fuck? Anyway, I remembered. Okay, sige, oo, may naalala ako. And it's another guy, not my boyfriend. Actually, alam ko kami na ulit na Ivan eh. Judging from kagabi. Na nag-usap naman na kami and all. Ano ba, napaka-public naman yung sinasabi ko? Like, what the fuck? Pero anyway, cut ko sa 5 minutes tong video. It's 4:45 now. Well, I just remembered this guy. Very wise. For his young age. Just this guy. Oh my god.